Here we are at the telephone box in the centre of Vinkovci. It's been here 25 years now, and while we try and keep it repaired, we've got a problem here that we have to solve. This is normal glass sign for the telephone, but the one on the south facing side, as you can see, has faded almost completely. So what we're going to do is, rather than try and repair this one, and we can't afford to buy a new one because it costs a fortune, is we're going to actually try and make a few new ones. Here we are in the glass cutters. Our sign is made of plastic. We thought it was glass, but it's not, it's plastic, which may have been one of the reasons it's faded, as the other three in the telephone box are all glass. So what we're doing now, we're getting a couple of pieces of glass cut and we'll make a new one of glass.
What are you doing now?
We've eventually managed to stick this sticker onto
The glass?
the glass. We wanted 5mm glass, but they didn't have any, so we got 6mm.
Oh
But
dear.
it's a good job I had 4 stickers, because we ruined the first 3 because we didn't know what the hell we were doing. But we've got it right now, and I'm just taking the letters out, so we'll be able to spray it red. Just got to get all this crap off first. So as you can see now, we now have the telephone sign ready for painting. It was very difficult putting on the plastic. It took us 4 attempts to get it right, but eventually we worked out how to do it. We start off by spraying it red. I've warmed up the glass a little and I've warmed up the spray. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I've chosen a little darker red than normal. So the plastic acts like a stencil, and eventually we'll take the plastic off and paint it white. Alright, as you can see now we've painted the back white, so now that's the whole thing completed. It's not come out as well as I thought it would, but it'll do. We've learned from our experiments. Thank you.
It will do, Pig. It will do.
Now we'll put it back in the telephone box without breaking it. Perfect.